Hello students, welcome to science class. Students, in the continuity of the previous lectures, today we are going to study another feature of carbon compounds, that is homologous series. As students, you know, there are many unique properties of the carbon and its compounds, and one more property is homologous series. Now students, we will see what is homologous series. Right students? We will divide this word homologous series. Right students? Now what does homologous mean? What is the meaning of homo? It means same. Right students? And what is the meaning of series? Series means a particular pattern. When the things are arranged in a particular pattern, or we can call it as a sequence. So this is known as the series, and homo means the same. In these carbon compounds, what does this homo means? With homo means the same functional group. Same functional group. Students, when the carbon compounds are having number of carbon atoms, different carbon atoms, but they have the same functional group and they are arranged in the same pattern. This is known as this series of the carbon compounds having different number of atoms but same functional group is known as the homologous series. Now we will study it in detail, then you will come to understand what is the homologous series. First of all, we will take a single group, that is of the alkanes. Alkanes, we will form the structure of methane. It is methane. Then we can make the structure of ethane. We can write the structure of propane. Like this. This is methane, this is ethane, and this is propane. Now students, all these carbon compounds have a single bond, carbon-carbon single bond, and they are making single bond with hydrogen. Now if we will write the molecular formula of the methane, it is CH4. In ethane it is C2H6, and in propane it is C3H8. Right students? If I will write here CH4 and if I plus CH2 in it, so it will become C2H6. Again if I plus CH2, then it becomes C3H8. If I again add CH2, we will get C4H10. This is methane, and this is ethane, this is propane, and this is butane, and so on. Now students, you can see it is the same pattern. In all, we are adding CH2, 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 and we are getting the another carbon compounds. They are in this same sequence, same pattern with same functional formula. These are known as this is known as the homologous series, in which the functional group is same. Right? We can also write this is methanol. We can write methanol. We can also write ethanol with this same functional formula. Now students, in these compounds which are arranged in a particular pattern, the number of carbon atoms is different. It is going on increasing. So their physical properties will be different, because as we go on increasing the number of carbon atoms, the molecular mass will also increase. So their melting point, boiling point, solubility will also be changed. So in the homologous series, all the carbon compounds have different physical properties, but they will have similar chemical properties because they all are made up of carbon and hydrogen. Because their composition is same, so their chemical properties are same. But the molecular mass goes on increasing in the pattern in this series, so the physical properties like melting point, boiling point and solubility will be different. Right, students? So this is all about the homologous series, in which what happens? The number of carbon atoms are different. They have different number of carbon atoms but will have same functional group. Like alkane, we can take the example of alkene, we can take the example of alkynes, we can take the example of alcohol. They are methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. They are in the same series. Methane, ethane, propane, they are in the same pattern. Ethyne, methane, alkynes are all also in the same pattern. So this is all about the homologous series. Next we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.